So this is an air fryer and oven by COSORI. It's really nice design. It's stainless steel. I like the way that it opens like this. All the controls are up front here, and I'll show you that first. You can see when you open it up, the light comes on, and then there's also a light on and off switch here. You just simply turn it on by pressing that, and it starts preheating depending on what mode you're in. You can set your timer. I'm going to turn it back off here. You can set your timer and you can adjust your temperature. There's actually a burner down here on the bottom, so if you need to do something down here and use the burner, you can do that with the door open, which is really kind of cool. The different modes are toast, bagel, pizza, air fry, air bake, air roast, air sous vide. You can broil, you can proof, you can dehydrate, you can reheat. Lots of different options. It's a nice looking little machine. Works great. I've used it twice today already, and it has done a really good job. The really cool thing is on the various accessories that you have, you can put these trays in and do different things with them. And it comes with several. So it's a nice little unit, and something that I expect to use quite often.
Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. I bought this from Amazon. As you can see, it's outside and it's inside. It's so gorgeous, very effective, and work very well. I cooked several stuff, and efficacy it's very high. Your kitchen will not get hot, and totally I like it, but price is a little expensive. Thank you. And this is the lamp touch screen, and here you can fit whatever you want. Here you choose big air fry, pizza, whatever you want, and it's really effective. I like it. Totally nice. Quality is also acceptable. It's kind of this three of this. You can adjust what you want based on here, and also they wrote here at which level you should put. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Monster machine. This thing is loaded. Nice size, and all these features and functions that you see here. Works like a charm. We're talking about, look at toast, bagel, pizza, air fry, air bake, air roast, air sous vide. I mean, you get so much out of this. It's an air fryer, it's an oven, it's so many things. Fantastic machine.